Welcome back to another video of the main roads we travel, unboxing, other pro wrestling tees box. So before we get started, our son was standing on the box and jumping on it. So I was in the kitchen, looked over in the living room, and I saw him on top of this box. So I'm hoping everything's still intact, still in one piece. So if while we're unboxing, if something's broken, that's why. Well, let's get right to it because I don't even remember what this box is supposed to be about.
You never do.
I forget because it's so long, and then when we finally get them in, we usually do like a month later. So I should be getting the next box like tomorrow. So
it is not. Stop it. I mean, it is a week or so, 2 weeks maybe since you've had it, but
yeah. And on top of that, we're supposed to be doing other videos and stuff, and yeah. Anyway, getting back to this unboxing.
sorry, I'm giving him the evil stare. That's why he's laughing.
That is late.
You're probably like, it's always late when you guys do these
Yes.
videos.
Well, the funny thing is nobody ever really knows exactly what time it is.
Well, they know because we tell them.
Oh yeah, that's true. We do.
This isn't as late as it normally is. It's only 11:51.
Yeah,
So it's
usually
not
it's
even
like after
midnight yet.
midnight or like 1 in the morning. So but maybe. Okay, so let's start
This
off with
box.
T-shirt of Iron Sheik.
Ooh, cheeky baby.
That's cool. Oh wow. Wow.
That is cool.
Okay, so some of these shirts are just really awesome, and I kind of just want to frame them and never wear them. But this is an awesome T-shirt because it's actually a tribute.
And it says Legends Live Forever, 1942 to 2023.
So from the day he was born till the when he passed away.
Instead of the year he born, the year he died.
Yeah. So for those of you who already know, we did lose Iron Sheik not too long ago, along with Terry Funk, Bray Wyatt, and a few others as well. But no, this, like I said, there's just some really cool T-shirts that I would be afraid to wear them because I don't want to either one, get something on it and ruin it, or accidentally just ripping it. So this, to me, this would be a cool T-shirt just to hang on the wall, along with a few others as well. And this is Kenny Omega. Kenny Omega T-shirt.
Cartoon themed.
Yeah. Hey, it's a cool T-shirt, but unfortunately, I'm not really a Kenny Omega fan. And the guy's good at what he does, but it's just, I don't know, it's just something about him doesn't really do it for me. Ooh, this is cool.
There's 250 chase variants included.
So I'm guessing the variant would be him in blue, the Berserker. And on the back, the little trading card. But yeah, this is actually cool one. I really like this. I like how he has the sword and the shield. And Adam Cole pin. Night 1, Ring of Honor, Road to Best in the World, 2014.
Just says Ring of Honor grab bag DVD.
Okay.
So So they just
Main
the
event.
DVD I guess can be different for anybody.
That's what I'm guessing.
This is grab bag DVD.
But that's what it looks like.
If you got something different, say something in the comments, please.
Yeah, if any of you guys get these boxes too, and if you get stuff that's different, just kind of like this, if you get some other random item, let us know. Or, if you just want to trade micro brawlers or pins, I'm up for that too. Or, autographs. Maybe you got a previous box that we didn't get, and there might be something there that, we may want. Ooh. Britt Baker?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. A sticker of Britt Baker.
Give that to Steve.
Maybe. It looks weird. It makes her look older. I don't know.
This little six pack
It's
that
just,
they gave her.
I don't know. It just doesn't look right. Doesn't look like how Britt should look. Yeah, he might get that. I don't know. And then autograph 8x10. Wait. Yeah, this is the one that has 2 autographs in it.
No.
It feels thicker. Oh, it does have.
Oh.
Because oh, that's so cool. It's Brian Knobs and Jerry Saggs, Nasty Boys.
So is it called Nasty Boy Knobs? Because on here it just says Nasty Boy Knobs autograph 8x10. That's why I thought it was only one.
Interesting.
Oh, okay. There's the other one.
Okay.
Never mind. That was
Nasty
dumb. Why
Boy
didn't they put it
Saggs.
together?
Yeah, usually with tag teams is always both of them together.
Like, I mean, no, I just mean like both their name, like both.
Right, no,
things
I get
next to
that,
each
I
other.
get that, but usually whenever you go meet them, like any tag team wrestlers, it's always a picture of them together, and then you just pick whatever one you want, and then they'll sign it.
Oh, it looks like one's got a. Oh, okay, this one had it too. I just
Yeah,
didn't see yours.
so that's the official,
Authentication.
yeah. So, that's what we're talking about, that little sticker right there. And it's usually on all of them. Right there, yeah. But that's actually pretty cool because Nasty Boys don't really come around that often. And they were supposed to be at one Slugfest that we were at. But unfortunately, they weren't able to make it due to travel issues. And, yeah, so they weren't there.
So this month's box, because I was like, well, wait, why are they doing mask for next month when that's November? But I forgot.
Masks
It's October.
and paint.
6.
Ooh.
So it's gonna be Sting, El Generico.
Okay, which is El Generico. A lot of people should know by now that's Sami Zayn.
Okay. Darby Allin, Gangrel,
Ooh.
Danhausen,
Okay.
Zodiac, and the Lucha Brothers.
All right, so and then Zodiac is Brutus Bar Beefcake. The Lucha Brothers. See, they already did Pandy. They did the Madball, combined Madball of them.
Oh, that's right.
So I'm guessing that could be an autograph, just like the Nasty Boys. And they already have the micro brawlers, but they wouldn't put, they don't do 2 micro brawlers. It's just one. So
To a two-faced one where one it's got like. The
I
back
feel
and front.
like it's either the micro brawler is going to be either El Generico, Gangrel, or possibly the Zodiac. I don't think they're going to do Darby Allin or Danhausen or Sting because they already put out a lot of Stings already. They already did a couple different Danhausens, and I don't think. I just feel like it wouldn't be Darby Allin. I'd be surprised if it's Darby Allin, but I want to go with either El Generico, Gangrel, or Zodiac. Although it'd probably be cool to have the Zodiac as a micro brawler. But even with that, I don't even think. I think Zodiac only had one style, so it'd be hard to do a chase of him. Unless they do it as like Bruce Bar Beefcake or Zodiac without face paint, I don't know. But then again, they could either narrow it down to either. I mean, if they're going to go that route, it could be Gangrel as the micro brawler. And you could do like a bloody or non-bloody Gangrel.
You might have to open this this October box at the hotel. So that way you know.
Wait, when we go to the wedding?
Or Minnesota.
Yeah, but I'm not gonna take it on the plane to have that extra thing.
I was just saying, so that way.
No, I get that. I just feel like it'd be more of a hassle to take it with us to Minnesota, do the unboxing, and then pack it back, and then bring it back home.
It's just an idea.
No, I get it. But yeah, I'm looking forward to this box. But the interesting thing is, okay, with this being the Halloween one, it seemed like Papa Shango was the main character or the main wrestler, because one year they had the sticker, which was really cool. It was Papa Shango holding a jack-o'-lantern.
When you were super excited for it.
Yeah, I have that sticker in a protective case still, like for a trading card, and yeah, that's where the sticker is. And then the year after that, they had the makeup kit for Papa Shango, and then the year after that, ICP for whatever reason, Insane Clown Posse. For those of you who didn't know the abbreviation, what it stood for, ICP stands for Insane Clown Posse. Why they had the pins of them, I don't know. But then yeah, this year they don't have Shango, which I'm really surprised.
I feel like Danhausen or Sting will be like the major name towards like that Halloween themed box.
Right. So they could do like a Sting makeup kit, and I'm thinking maybe like a 8x10 autograph of Danhausen. Like I said, I just don't think they're going to do the micro brawlers of them, because they already did a bunch already.
Right.
And anything that they do with Sting or Danhausen now seems to be like some kind of AEW exclusive, or just some exclusive that they'll do on Pro Wrestling Tees. So, like I said, I'm going to go with either Gangrel, El Generico, or Zodiac. Although, wait, I think they already did El Generico. So, wait, now I'm going to change it. We'll go with either Gangrel or Zodiac. And then when the box comes, I'm going to forget all about this. I'm going to be like, I don't even remember what's in this box. And hey, let's open it up. See what's inside. So, yeah. And this box was pretty decent. The Iron Sheik shirt, really cool. Really happy that they did that. Really like this Berserker. I want to say the chase is him in the blue instead of it being the brown. The brown, this is basically reminds me more like the Hasbro style. That's where he has the I'm not really sure, I guess like the tunic or whatever he would have on, you're able to take it off. But he didn't come with the shield or the sword. They didn't start doing that until Mattel got the rights, and then they made him with the sword and shield. And that's a really cool figure if you don't have that one already. But yeah. So I like the and of course 8x10 autographs. And I know I said this before, I really like the fact that they do that, and I think it's cool. especially for me, because it saves me some money. Instead of me going to meet, different wrestlers paying, anywhere from, $40 to $80 or more, depending on who it is. Is be patient and just get these boxes, and more than likely you'll probably get somebody in there that you wanted to meet and get their autograph.
More money for my obsession of getting actors' autographs lately.
Yes. Yeah, we're gonna meet who are we meeting next week?
Elijah Wood.
Yeah, Monster Mania, which will be the last Monster Mania at do you remember the location? Because I'm drawing the blank.
I'll tell you in a sec. Oh no, I can't. I put my phone down.
Anyway, just type in Monster Mania. You'll see
it's
it.
In Baltimore.
Yeah, Baltimore, Maryland. This will be the last event that the hotel's hosting, because apparently the hotel's closing. And then they're gonna move Monster Mania to a different location. They haven't announced it yet. And then so we'll be there next Sunday, and then this Sunday we're gonna be at StellarCon. I think Niox Mayhem might be making an appearance there. Not 100% sure.
He's not performing.
Rumor has it he might be there. And then same thing with Monster Mania. I'm super excited. I'm hoping to meet the guy again. Really cool guy if you haven't met him yet. Or not.
I don't think you've met him though yet.
I have.
Because you guys are never in the same room at the same time.
I don't know what she's talking about. But anyway, yeah, again, if you ever see us out and about, just come up and say hi. Let us know what you like about our videos and what you don't like about the videos, and hopefully you continue to watch and support. And then
support, just like the video. Subscribe.
Yes, all that too. And then also we're going to be at next toy show, Maryland Toy Expo. Yes, we'll be there as well, set up.
That's the first Saturday of November.
Yes. And yeah, we'll be there. Same spot. If you have seen us before, same spot as always. And have some new inventory, and
who knows, you might see some stuff that you've seen in these videos.
Yeah, very true, and yeah, that's gonna be it for me. You have anything to add, or
nope.
No, that's it?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's about under 20 minutes here.
Awesome. All right. Many Roads We Travel 2 on Instagram, and the Many Roads We Travel on Facebook, TikTok. Yeah. Have a good night, or morning, or day, whenever. Or don't have a good day if you don't want to. But yeah.
Thanks for watching.